Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. We start here with chapstick. This is not chapstick. This is chapstick, but we're not going to put chapstick on because we have something going on our lips. And so I'm going to reapply what I put on over top of this lippy in a previous video. Today is March. No, it is not. Today is May 2nd. This is the Dare Beach Glassy Lip Oil and Gloss. And honestly, it's making my lips feel dry. The lippy I have on, ew, that glob came out. It's actually a lip liner. I'm sorry, it's actually an eyeliner. But look at that color though, it's amazing. And yes, I am gonna wipe this off before I put the cap back on it. But as this dries, on my bare lips, this feels nice. But over this, it feels drying. So anyway, with this video, oh, let me back up. The Crazy Troll Nation, because of stuff like that, I forget I have an intro to do. So that's the crazy for this particular video. There's other crazies in other videos. And a troll because there is no such thing. This video, troll, get it together. This channel is about self-acceptance and self-love, meaning embrace your natural features, knowing it's okay to do a video without any face paint on if you want to, knowing that you're beautiful inside and out, regardless of what the beauty community may say. Try not to live up to somebody else's standards and expectations of what they think beauty is. They will have you believing you need a particular brand, you need a particular tool, you need to apply your makeup a particular way, or your makeup is going to be busted. No, it's not. Do what you want to do to get your makeup on your face the way you want it to look and wear it and rock it with confidence. That's the concept of the Crazy Troll Nation. It's because we have fun in our makeup and we know we look good with or without it. Yes, I said it. I will show you what else we do here on this channel. I forgot to mention I do curse sometimes on my channel. This video, I think my fourth one today. I do videos when I have the energy and then I just schedule them out whenever. We are going to, I keep saying we, it's just me, myself, and I. So I'm not schizophrenic and it's just like 3 personalities or more. No, it's just me. And my multifaceted, multidimensional self. I'm making myself sound more crazy for real, right? Like, who am I trying to convince here that I'm okay? Anyway. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 NYX Retractable Eyeliners because it's one of the few brands that I can use on my inner rims, my waterline. That line right here, that pink line, that's your waterline. And for up top, underneath your lashes, that line, that's your waterline. Below your lashes, that's your lash line. Above your lashes, that's your lash line. But on this line, on that line, that's your waterline. This is one of the few brands that do not irritate my eyes. And that's why I have so many of them. I was going to say almost every color, but I do think there may be a few I don't have. These are good for 36 months. Previous video, I kept saying 24. These are good for 36 months. They are retractable. This is one of my newest ones. And so I'm going to turn it all the way up. Okay, it's still going. That's how much product is in here. From here all the way up is the product. And I'm hoping this turns back down. Because I'm like, if this doesn't turn down, what am I going to do with this? So typically with any eyeliner from the base here to up top, that's typically the amount of product you get. And these, I believe, I want to say $6.50 at Ulta. And we know Ulta always has sales. $3.50 off of $15 more purchase. Yada yada yada. 2021 holiday season, NYX website had like a 30% off sale, and I went ham and bought a bunch of these, but then I gave most of them away. So then I'm like, I need to buy more. And then I'm like, why do I keep buying backups when they last for 36 months? And I only use them lower lash line and my waterline. Anyway, so I'm going to swatch the colors that I have. This is one of my newest ones, and it was on clearance for $3.50. It was part of their rainbow collection or their pride collection. So it was all like the bright, beautiful colors, and this was the last one, well, the last color left, and this is Snatched. And so I'm going to swatch them all, and hopefully the swatches will be okay for me to just do like this and put it on Instagram. But this is Snatched. Look at that. And I wasn't sure Why did I put that over my knuckle? I am just so awkward. But I didn't know how this was going to look. And I said, worst comes to worst, I'll just top it with something else. Because I didn't know, okay, is this going to make me look like I have pink eye or something? And I don't think it will. This is a very pretty color. Because when I look at colors, I think about my complexion and I also think about my undertone. As you can see, my arm is not the same as my face. Like some parts of my arm is, but for this part of my arm, it is not the same shade as my face. So that shade is Snatched. And I did take the caps off of all of them and I hope I don't regret it. This one is white. And the color you see here, the packaging is the color of the liner. And so this one is white. And I like that they keep it simple. I am just so not swatch savvy. That's white, as you can see. This is silver, and in a previous video I kept saying light gray, but isn't light gray silver? I don't know. And I tried to group them to where it may look like a similar color. The white one is matte. The silver does look to have shimmer in it. The next one I'm going to show you is Aqua Green. And when I put these on my lower lash line, I do it with the intent to put a similar color on top of it, and I do that as a base for that eyeshadow. But you can use these alone. You can put these also on your upper lash line. So that's Aqua Green. Can somebody give me a swatch tutorial? That's pretty though, right? This one is gold. I don't know if I mentioned these are waterproof. Yes, so this is gold, which is almost my skin tone. So yes, I do have a golden undertone. It just blends in. But I find that this has become one of my favorites. Whether I put shadow over top of it or not, because it just adds a little bit of shine, it adds a little bit of light to that area. So even though you think, okay, that doesn't really show up, it does bring a little bit of brightness. And so I do really like this one more than I thought that I would, because I'm like, it's not really going to show up on me, and it doesn't. But as I said, it brings some brightness. This is Golden Olive. These are really smooth, really creamy, as they should be because they're eyeliners. Golden Olive. This one is Deep Blue. I love a deep blue and a deep purple on my inner rims because I do think it brings out my eye color. Makes my eyes look more sparkly. So this is Deep Blue and Crooked as Hell. And they seem to be getting smaller as I go along my arm. So that is Deep Blue. How many times am I going to say each shade? I don't know. We will see. This one is Purple. I hope you guys are as entertained at me as I am. Because really, I'm just like laughing at myself here. So it's okay to laugh at me. Some people say laugh with me, but no, you can laugh at me. I laugh at myself all the time. That's Purple. Why am I having such trouble like getting it even? Like getting it squared off and pretty. Does it matter? And there's like this gap in the middle. Like, oh, anyway. It's just a swatch troll. Ain't that serious. They can see the color. They all right. This one is Deep Purple. Having this one, I wasn't sure if I wanted just a purple one, but I'm glad that I got the purple one. Like, I'm glad that I got all of these. I'm only starting it this way so you can see that I am putting it, and then I'm finishing it this way to just try to make it look decent. Try to make it look rectangular, like those pretty swatches you see on people's arm. So this is purple and that's Deep Purple. Not much of a difference depending on how the light hits it, but either way, this is still darker because it's Deep Purple. I'm looking and sounding really crazy right now. This is brown. Basic brown. It's not called basic brown. I'm saying it's a basic brown because it's just brown. But it's rich. It should be called Cocoa. But you know, they name the colors simple. White, brown, blue, dark blue, except for Snatched, which was the hot pink one, this first one here. But they did name them for what they are. White, silver, aqua green, gold, golden olive, blue, purple, deep purple, brown. So they do name them for what they are, which is kind of cool in a way, because you can be like, oh, the brown liner, oh, the one that's called brown, yeah, that's the one. Gray. I am delirious. I don't know why today I'm always delirious. Well, not always, but it's always something with me where either I'm going through something, or my health isn't where I want it to be, or I'm just a complete goof troop, which is right now. Why are they going like up and then getting smaller? This is funny to me. Like and I'm trying so hard. Maybe I'm trying too hard. This one is black. This one is the only one that when I do my upper waterline, my upper inner rim, that it irritates my eyes, and I don't know why. And so I just use it mostly for my bottom inner rim. So this is the black one, and it's just black. I love these, and so that was all of them. And I don't know why I started way over here, like I didn't have all this space. Snatched, white, silver, aqua green, gold, golden olive, deep blue. I think before I just said blue, but this is deep blue, purple, deep purple, brown, gray, and black. So these are all my NYX eyeliners. Use them for lower lash line, inner rim, upper lash line if you want to. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you're considering getting any of the colors. This one may not be available anymore because it was on clearance from that collection that they had. But yeah, so you see what the colors look like. If you're interested in any of them, now you know what they look like on tan skin. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.